Hey YouTube, over the past few years, LED projectors have got really cheap. This is what we are going to review today. It costs about £100. The cost fluctuates quite a bit, so between £100 and £120 is what you'll see in the UK. The unboxing experience is as any other product, but some people like it, so here's a montage. But the important thing is what's inside the box. So inside the box we have an ounce sticker, a long HDMI cable, the remote, a pair of 3D glasses, the old-fashioned ones, a composite AV cable, the power cable, the keystone adjuster, an instructions manual. On the back of the instructions manual we have some QR codes. Then we have the projector itself. At the bottom of the projector we have 4 rubberized feet so that it doesn't move around on the table. On the back of the projector we have the analog audio video port, the VGA cable port, the USB port. On the bottom we have the port where the power cable goes into. Then we have 2 HDMI ports, the IR receiver and the audio video in port. On the side we have the 3.5mm jack and an SD card reader. On the top of the projector we have the enter button surrounded by the navigation buttons, an options button, an exit button and the power button. Next to it we have a tiny LED indicator. On the very top of the projector we have the keystone adjuster wheel and the focus adjuster wheel. On the front we have the branding and a marking that says that this is the Android version of this projector. And finally, removing the lens cap reveals the lens. It is not easy to review a projector over a YouTube video because you're never going to get that feeling of seeing it for real. But I'm going to try and explain this the best I can. This very same projector comes under several different brand names and all of them around the $100 mark. The one I have is made by a company called Aun. I'll leave the link in the description. But this review will stand valid for any Android projector around this price point because they're all going to be pretty much the same. To start off, it has the same problem that I have with most projectors, the fan noise. The only solution to this is to place the projector as far away from you as possible, probably mount it onto your ceiling, and connect a pair of good speakers to drown out the noise. The built-in speakers do a half-decent job of drowning out the fan noise, but the speakers are just there for the sake of being there. I think you'll be better off with a pair of external speakers. The first thing you need to do once you get this projector is to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. The second thing, you connect a pair of speakers. For this, you have a 3.5mm audio jack and also you have Bluetooth. Next, connect a keyboard and a mouse to it. For this, I have my Dravo wireless keyboard connected over Bluetooth and a wired mouse connected over USB port in the back. You can connect a many-to-one USB adapter if you want to connect multiple USB devices. I might be too picky, but I noticed that there is a buzzing noise when using the headphones over the 3.5mm jack. Now heading to the software bit. The UI is very user-friendly. You have the input options that we spoke about when seeing the hardware ports. Apart from this, there is an Android option. This will let you use the built-in Android firmware of this projector. It runs on Android 4.2.2 and comes with a bunch of Office apps, a video player, the web browser, YouTube and a few other default applications. But the best bit is, it comes with the Google Play Store, making the possibilities of this device endless. There is an app called HappyCast. You can directly stream content from your iPhone or Android phone onto the projector without the need for an Apple TV or a Chromecast device. The brightness of the lamp inside the projector is rated at 1200 lumens, which means it does a very good job when in the dark, but it is completely unusable in bright sunlight with the windows open. The lamp inside the projector will last for an incredible 20,000 hours. That is, even if you were to use this for 8 hours straight every day, it will last you for close to 7 years. Trust me, you won't have the need for replacing the lamp through its lifetime. On the website and on the box, they say that the projector supports 1080p. But this does not mean that it projects an image of 1080p, it just means you'll be able to play your full HD content without problems. The actual native resolution of this projector is 800 by 600 pixels. 800 by 600 may sound like a low resolution, but when projected, this is not shabby at all. As you can see in this close-up image, the pixels kind of merge into each other due to the magnification, so the image feels quite natural and smooth. It supports both the 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. The projector's optimum projection size is anywhere between 30 inches and 80 inches. After that, the image starts getting dimmer due to the dispersion. I set it at a distance of about 7 feet from the wall and I get a very clear image of 80 inches as advertised. For its value against its cost, I would give it a clear 10 out of 10. Watching a game or even playing an Xbox or PlayStation game with your friends around, that's priceless, and it'll do the job well without any stutter. If this is your first projector, or if you're confused between a projector and a cheap monitor, or if you're in a tight budget, I would strongly recommend this. This has been a review of every $100 Android projector in the market. Thanks for watching. Take care.